With the iPhone 12 most likely set to debut in just a few short months, we've hit that time of the year where alleged dummy units are starting to surface on the internet. And so in this video, why not just go hands-on with one of those dummy units for the iPhone 12 lineup.
Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications whenever we share a video.
Now, there have been many rumors circulating about the iPhone 12's new design and the 4 new phones in this year's lineup, and so let's just start off with the new 5.4-inch iPhone 12. This phone, in terms of the size, fits right in between an iPhone SE from 2016 and an iPhone 8 or iPhone SE from 2020. The screen itself will be larger than both the SE models due to the lack of bezels and the removal of the home button. This here is what a lot of people have been clamoring for, myself included, since the initial rumors of a new iPhone SE began a couple of years ago. I remember thinking, how great would it be to have an iPhone SE size device with an edge-to-edge all-display style and Face ID, and so it looks like that might become a reality later this year. The other 3 sizes that we can expect to see include a 6.1-inch iPhone 12, 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro, and a 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, these dummy units confirm to us that we should see a shift to that iPad Pro style design with the flat edges, and I really do like the look and feel of that style. At first glance, especially from the front of the device, it might not look as noticeable when you compare it to the iPhone 11, but when looking at the sides of the 12, you can definitely see the difference. There's a pretty big difference when holding it in the hand too, as those flat edges have a bit of a sharper feel than the rounded metal that we're used to with previous iPhones. At the back, the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max feature a triple lens camera setup similar to the setup in the iPhone 11 Pro, while the 5.4-inch and 6.1-inch models have dual camera setups. It's worth noting that these camera setups are not likely to be accurate because these dummy models are designed for case manufacturers, and case makers don't really need information about the camera beyond the size of the camera bump. There are rumors, for example, that the Pro iPhone models will feature a LiDAR scanner, much like the iPad Pro, but that's not seen here exactly in the dummy unit, so just something to keep in mind. You'll also notice that the iPhone 12 Pro Max dummy unit is slightly larger than the 11 Pro Max, which is to be expected since it does have a slightly larger 6.7-inch display over the current 6.5-inch model. There's another cutout area underneath the power button on the 12 Pro Max dummy unit, and it is possible that this is the new 5G antenna window, moving the SIM card tray over to the left side below the volume buttons. Now, I do really like this new/older kind of design with the iPhone 12, how it replicates the iPad Pro model and even the iPhone SE frame around the device, and I'm hoping Apple does what it did with the current iPhone and matches the color of the frame to the back of the iPhone. I'm not a fan of this white with the super shiny stainless steel that's on this dummy unit, but the other dummy unit with the black back and the black frame looks really, really good, and I'm hoping that's just kind of how they make those color choices blend in with the frame in the future. Regardless, I really like the new style, and I do like the new 5.4-inch size that could be coming this fall, but of course would love to know your thoughts on everything that I just talked about in this video down in the comments below. Are you going to try the new smaller size? Do you like the flat edges? Go ahead and let me know in those comments. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.